Hi, Yellow 4. Today, December 15, 2020, Tuesday, circle time in English. So let's start by singing our hello song. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? How are you doing today, Yellow 4? I hope that you're enjoying this time with your family and this last week with us. Please join us every day with your activities until the end of the week. And then to continue with our circle time, let's talk about the days of the week. Are you ready to sing the days of the week? Perfect. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday, and then Saturday. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday. And we're still in fall, although it's getting to be colder and colder. We're transitioning really quick to winter. Next week will be officially winter time. And the month that we're in is December. December is the last month of the year. The year has 12 months, and December is number 12. Are you ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 months. December is number 12. And the letter of the week is letter Q. And Q is for queen and question and what other words do you know that starts with Q? Ask your siblings or your parents. Great. And to continue with these holidays around the world, we are going to explore what traditions and celebrations do the Russian people do. So we're going to talk about Russia. We already talked about Mexico, Israel, Saudi Arabia, Germany, China, and let's dig into what people do in Russia. Okay, so the main celebration is in Russia is the New Year, and it starts the 31st of December to the 1st of January. Christmas doesn't come but after that celebration, and it comes the 7th of January, and it's a religious feast. The Christmas decorations don't show up, but just after the New Year's. And during this celebration, this Christmas celebration, it is said that Ded Moroz, which means cold grandpa, is the one who brings the presents. And he comes with his granddaughter, who is called Negroka. It means snow. And the Moroz comes with his sleigh, and his sleigh is led by 3 white horses. So not reindeers in Russia, and they knock the door he comes with a big sack of presents, and he puts the presents under the tree. Pretty similar, huh? Also, a Russian tradition is singing Christmas carols in the street to get some coins or candy in return. Then also the houses bring trees and decorate the trees inside and outside. What is something like a curious thing is like one of those really important meals, like really good food that they do during this time of the year are tangerines. They love tangerines for Christmas, and it's a fruit that they consider very exotic. They bring it from Morocco, and it just brings this special aroma into the Russian houses. Interesting. All right, friends. So to finish our circle time, I would like for us to sing our Santa song. I did ask for you guys to send me a video of your Santa song in English or Spanish, anyone. And I also made an assignment on MS Teams. So if you cannot send it, through Remind app or anything, you can also post it on your MS Teams. I would love to hear your voices and see your faces because we really miss you. So if you could please just record yourself singing the Santa song, it will be my Christmas present. Excellent. So let's sing our song. Be patient with Miss Culberson here, okay? Red hat, white beard, twinkle in his eye. Santa is his name. Oh. S-A-N-T-A-S-A-N-T-A, and Santa is his name. Oh. Red hat, white beard, twinkle in his eye. Santa is his name. Oh. A-N-T-A-A-N-T-A-A-N-T-A, and Santa is his name. Oh. Red hat, white beard, twinkling his eye. Santa is his name. Oh. N-T-A, 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 and Santa is his name. Oh. Red hat, white beard, twinkling his eye. Santa is his name. Oh. K-A-T-A, T-A, and Santa is his name. Oh. Red hat, white beard, twinkling his eye. Santa is his name. Oh. A, 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 and Santa is his name. Oh. Red hat, white beard, twinkling his eye. Santa is his name. Oh. And Santa is his name. Oh. S-A-N-T-A-S-A-N-T-A-S-A-N-T-A, and Santa is his name. Oh. Okay, friends, and Santa and I will say goodbye to you right now, and we'll see you soon with the activity of the day. Please don't forget to send me that video, Remind Up, or MS Teams, or just text me and let me know. I can find another way to contact with you, but I'll send you a big hug for now, and enjoy your day. Bye.